When you have a new stove installed, you don't expect your house to blow up. But who's to blame if such a tragic event occurs? In the 2006 Delaware case of Sears, Roebuck and Company versus Midcap, we examine a negligence action against a gas supply company. In November of 1995, Terry Midcap purchased a kitchen range from Sears. Midcap's gas supplier, Southern States, furnished the propane system for the stove, which included gas cylinders and regulator components. In 1999, there was a gas explosion at the Midcap home that killed Terry and completely destroyed the home. The cause of the explosion was a gas leak from the stove. Midcap's family asserted that Southern States should have conducted an inspection and detected the deficiencies that led to the explosion before it occurred. Midcap's estate sued Sears and Southern States in trial court. Midcap claimed Southern States was negligent because it didn't adhere to the gas check program, a voluntary inspection program that recommended periodic inspections of gas supply systems. The trial court disallowed Midcap's experts' testimony that the gas check program represented the industry standard of care. The court entered judgment for Southern States, and Midcap appealed to the state Supreme Court.